guys, today we're gonna make a awesome chicken salad sandwich in a croissant. It takes it over the top. I'm gonna show you all my tips and tricks to eat it now or pack it for school. Hey, I'm Laura, and on this channel I share lots of school lunch ideas and my family's favorite recipes. If those are your jam, hit that red subscribe button so you and I can make things like this twice a week. Okay, so I made my incredible chicken salad recipe. This one I made it super fast in another video using a rotisserie chicken. I simply whipped up a super quick dressing with fresh lemon juice, mayonnaise, salt and pepper, whisked that well, and then separately in another bowl, I had a rotisserie chicken that I chopped up into big or small pieces, whatever you like, with some celery, with a little chopped shallot or red onion, and pour that dressing over the top. Mixed it super well until all the chicken was coated. Check it out, it's so good. And now you and I can use it to make this croissant sandwich. First things first, we're going to slice the croissant in half right through the middle. Now, because the chicken salad already has mayo and a nice dressing, it has moisture in it, I typically don't spread anything on my croissant. I just take 2 large green lettuce leaves and place them at the bottom to protect the base of the croissant from the weight of the chicken salad that sits right on top. And then I'm gonna take a few scoops, about half a cup of my chicken salad, and place it in the middle right over that lettuce. And then all you have to do is take that top half and gently place it on top. You can eat it as is by slicing it in half or packing it for lunch. Now, one quick tip if you want to pack it for lunch is to take a paper towel and place it at the bottom of your lunch container. It's going to help keep the sandwich fresh, and then your kids have something to wipe their hands with. I'm going to take the croissant sandwich and place it in my main compartment of the lunch container. I'm also going to add some strawberries on the side and some veggies. I've got some baby carrots right here. And then all you have to do is put your lid on your lunch container, add some ice packs in the bottom of your lunch bag, place the lunch inside, and you're good to go. And just like that, we made an epic chicken salad stuffed croissant sandwich. So good for lunch. See you guys in the next video.